Hi everyone, good morning. Am I audible? Yeah, am I audible, guys? Ramesh, please respond. Sangeeta, Jayasri.
Yes, good morning, Maggie. Sorry.
Okay, fine. So today class, first of all, we are going to discuss about import sets by using scripting. Okay, import your data into a table by using scripting. We'll discuss that later. We are going to discuss about integrations. Okay. Yes. So basically in the transform maps, there are different types of transform scripts. Okay. So on start, on after, on before, on choice create, on complete, on foreign insert, on reject. So these all are the different types of transfer steps. Transformation events occur during the process of transforming an import set table onto a target table. Transformation event scripts modify the transformation behavior at different points in the transformation process. Okay. While importing the data, if we want to change the behaviors of import set data, so we have to use these transform scripts on start, on after, on before, on choice create, on complete, on foreign insert, on reject. Okay. Yes. So what do you mean by on start? So when it will execute, on start executes at the start of import before any rows are read. Okay. When the import set process, when import process is started, immediately on start function, on start transfer script will execute before the data is read. Next, on after executes at the end of the row transformation and after the source row has been transformed into the target row and saved. So on after will execute once the data is saved into a target table. Okay, on before executes at the start of the row transformation and before the row is transformed into the target table. Okay, on before will execute. So transformation is completed and before the data is saved into the target table. Okay, on choice create. When choice values are creating, so at that time it will execute on complete, execute at the end of the import after all rows are read and transformed. Okay, on foreign record insert. Then foreign record insert is happened, then it will execute. Reject execute during the foreign record or choice creation if the foreign record or choice is rejected. Okay, these are the different types of transform steps. Now I'm going to transform data into my parent table. Now I'm going to transform data into my parent table. Okay, 1 minute. I think I haven't changed the columns. So I will bring the related columns here. We don't require manager. We require save. I think I modified previously in the mobile view. Configure form layout. So I'm keeping required fields. Okay, we don't require all these fields. Saving. Okay. Now I want to import the data into my parent table. Okay, you already know how to import this data now. Now I'm importing this data by using scripting. Okay, yes, I'm going to data sources. Under system importers we have data source. So I'm creating my parent data source 6. Okay, copying it and even import set label also I'm providing same. Okay. Here file type I'm taking Excel. So I already created data in the Excel. So you can say Anji, Anusha, Janaki, and Mankat. Okay, this is the Excel sheet data. My parent demo data file name is okay. Yes, I'm attaching that file here. This is sorry. So it's not InfoVT demo data. It's my parent demo data, right? File name is yes. I selected wrong file. Yes, this one. Yes. File also have attached and I'm saving it. Okay. Now you can come and load all the records. Wait, it's loading. Yes, 4 records process. We don't have transform app, so that's why I'm creating a transform. Okay. The target table I'm giving my parent. Okay, and I'm saving. And here I'm also selecting transcript. Save it. Okay. Now I want to map the column. So previously what we did, so here we go to auto map matching fields or mapping assist and we map the fields. Now by using script, I will map the data. Okay. Target dot target means target table. Source means source table. Okay. Target dot u underscore name equal to source dot u underscore name. Target dot u underscore gmail equal to source dot u underscore gmail. Target dot u underscore email equal to so your source dot u underscore email. Survey. This is gender, right? Here I'm selecting gender. Yeah, that dot. So this will not create a record. It will not map a manager record actually. I'm giving, but the manager record will not map because of we are giving name there. So, but that is SysID. Here we have to provide a SysID of manager record. Okay. So simply I'm giving, but it will not map. Okay. So start. Okay. This is the transform script I have written for mapping the fields. Okay. I'm saving it. Now you can come and transform here. So you can see in the my parent table, the data will be moved based upon execution of this script. Okay. Saying transform. Just transformation is completed. You can come and refresh here. So you can see, oh my God, I thought manager will not map properly, but it is mapped properly and gender email is not coming correctly here. Okay. We'll check. So I will go to email. 1 minute. You underscore email, you underscore gender. Start only right. So gender and email is not mapped properly. We'll check once. Okay. Come here. You can go to here. Wait, paste. Okay. So any spelling mistakes here, please look into it. No, right? SYURC. Yes. I'm saving it. Again, we will check if the data is cooperative or not. Okay. I'm deleting this. Deleting this my parent data. Delete. Again, I'm coming to data source. We can load all the parts. Run transform directly. Okay. You can come and refresh here. Yes. Now the data is coming properly or not? Yes, the data is coming properly. So what happened to manager again here? You can see generally manager data will not map. So here you can see it is not mapped properly. So previously because of that issue it mapped. Okay. Now what we have to do for this manager, bringing manager data correctly, what we have to do, we have to write a plate record. Okay. Here I'm writing plate record. First of all, I will copy this code to notepad. Paste in here. Now I want to map manager data also here. So for that I'm writing large here equal to new play record sys underscore user. Okay. Share data at Korea. Name comma source dot you underscore manager. Okay. Share dot Korea. If share dot next. Here what I'm saying mgr equal to here dot sys underscore id. Okay. Here I'm giving mgr. Okay, guys, got it, everyone. I'm saving it. Okay. Now again, going to parent table and I will remove the data. I will process the data. Let's check what happens. Going to my parent data source. Run our data. And transform. How can somebody get the shape? Now the data is populating properly or not? Yes. The data is populating perfectly. Now the data is populating perfectly. Now I will go to the script and then I will drop it in notepad. In interviews, they will ask two questions. How to start? So how to start data creation via import set? Data creation via import set. Okay, we'll check. How to start inserting a record? You can write like this: inserting a record from import set from import script. In one interview, they have asked this question, so I have noted down. Like that, they will also ask how to start updating a record from import set. Okay. Yes, they will ask these two questions in interviews for me. Import script you can write. Okay. Yes. Yes, I'm saving it. Now can come here. Now I'm going to this. Okay. Wait, I'm refreshing this. You can see. So for reference, I'm keeping only one field, guys, here. Okay. For our reference, I'm keeping only one field. That is fine. Okay. Yes. For example, we want to send only name. Okay. If action equal to insert equal to insert. Okay. Just for example, we have to insert a name field data, only name field data there. Okay. Now here I'm saying IGNO ignore equal to true. Okay. We have to do like this. Otherwise, maybe you can keep remaining code also. For example, in it. Yeah, it's okay. I'm keeping entire code. No problem. Okay. So here you can see I have written everything inside this if condition. In the if, at the end, I'm keeping ignore equal to true. Okay. Now I'm saving this script. Now I'm saving this script. I'm going to my parent table and I will delete this data for our reference. Okay. Then I will try to import the data. The data will not create. Okay. Let's do it. Yes. Now again, I'm going to data sources. My parent data sources. Okay. I'm running load all records. Run transfer. Yes, if you see the transform history, oh my God, podcast inserted. Wait. The data is inserted, that is wrong actually. Yes, so basically this action you have to keep it double quotes, okay? Yes. And ignore equal to true. Now again we can try. Okay, now again you can come and load all the cards here. What happened? Ignored 4. Yes or no? Ignored 4. Why? Because of transfer speed. You can see even if you refresh here, will not show the data here. Okay, got it everyone? Sorry, note down this. Maybe I feel that we don't require all this. So in the notepad, otherwise you guys will confuse. Copying it. Pasting. Okay. The main part here is so this one only ignore equal to true and the if condition. I'm removing remaining everything. Okay. Got it everyone? Yes or no? If you want to stop updation, you copy the same code. You copy same code here. Insert action equal to update. You can select the action equal to update. Okay. Yes. Saving it. Any queries from the import set script? Please tell me. Okay, fine. Next concept is integrations. Next concept is integrations. So integration is also a very important concept nowadays for the real time and even in the interviews. Okay. But once you joined into the organization, may or may not will work with the integrations. Okay, may or may not work with the integration. It's completely depends upon your project requirements. Okay. Yes. So basically, as of now, for example, as of now, I have done many integrations. Like I have done with Jira integration, I have done with the Salesforce integration, Qualys integration. Next one minute. See, Servicenow to Servicenow integration also did. Marketo, D365, Street. Current in my current project, we are doing Siders integration. Okay, like that. We have did multiple integration projects and a few of integration I don't remember. Okay. Yes, for me, I get opportunity. Yes. So one of my friend is also working on service now. He also almost similar to my experience only, but he didn't get any experience to work with integrations. Okay, he didn't get any requirement to work with integrations as of now. It's completely depends upon the organizational requirements. Okay, and for example, as of now, I'm only working with administration, development, ITSM, service catalog. So few more modules also I work for like GRC, SecOps. I also work for some discovery kind. A few of my friends working on service now. Yes, along with this administration, development, ITSM, service catalog, integrations, they work with something like HRSD module, PPM, and somebody work with another module, CSM, like that. Okay, so work. So the modules you are using in service now, you will work within your organization. It completely depends upon your organizational requirements. Okay. Yes. You can see integration. What is integration? Integration is a exchanging of data between two systems or applications. Exchanging of a data between two systems or applications. Integration is the exchanging of data between two systems or applications. Okay. Two applications or two systems connect each other and communicate. Okay. Both will communicate. Integration is a exchanging of data between two systems or applications. For example, for example, so today I have attended to class. Maybe my lecturer given some notes. Okay. So I took notebook from my friend and I have copied that notes to my notebook. Okay. Here the exchange is happened. The data is exchanged from that notebook to this notebook. Okay. For example, so in our pocket you have pen. Okay. In our pocket you have pen. So I required pen actually. I forgot to bring pen to class maybe. Okay. So you are giving pen from your pocket to my hand. Here also communication is happened in between two persons. Okay. Yes. And yes, you have some information to say. Okay. You have some information to say. Okay. Yes. You are saying that information to me. Here also communication between two users are happening. Okay, we can say integration is happen here. Got it? Integration is a exchanging of data between two systems or applications. Integration is a exchanging of data between two systems or applications. Okay, there are three types of integrations available: import sets, inbound email actions, web services. Import sets, inbound email actions, and web services. Okay, three types of integrations are there. From this, import sets and inbound email actions we already discussed. Okay, in this integrations class we are discussing only about the web services. Okay, what is web services? What is web services? HTTP based web services allow diverse applications to talk each other. Diverse applications to talk each other. Okay. Service supports two types of integrations. That is inbound integration and outbound integration. Okay. HTTP based web services allow diverse applications to talk each other. Okay. HTTP based web services allow diverse applications to talk each other. Okay. For communicating two systems, web services will help us. Okay. Next. ServiceNow supports both inbound integration and outbound integration. ServiceNow support both inbound and outbound web services. Okay. We can say types of web services. There are two types of web services: inbound integrations and outbound integrations. Okay. So what are the examples of inbound integrations? REST API Explorer, scripted REST API. What are the examples of outbound integration? REST message and SOAP message. REST message and SOAP message. Okay. And here you can see. So in the REST, uh, REST stands for Representational State Transfer Protocol. Maybe I have written somewhere within this notebook only, no problem. So from that REST, we'll use few methods. We'll use some methods: get, post, put, patch, delete. These are the HTTP methods. So here you can say, what do you mean by HTTP? Hypertext transfer protocol. Hypertext transfer protocol. REST stands for representational state transfer protocol. SOAP stands for simple object access protocol. Simple object access protocol. Simple object access protocol. API stands for application programming interface. WSDL WSDL stands for Web Services Description Language. Web Services Description Language. Okay. These are the different HTTP methods and integration related some applications. Now you can see what are the methods we have in HTTP: get, post, put, patch, delete. These are the HTTP methods are available. Get method is used to retrieve the data from the other system. Get method is used to retrieve the data from the other system. Okay. Post method is used to create the data in other system. Post method is used to create the data in other system. Put, update the entire record. Update the entire record. Overall record, you can say. Update the overall record. Patch, update specified fields in a record. Update specified fields in a record. Okay. Update specified fields in a record. Delete, deleting a record in other system. Okay. Yes. Get method is used to retrieve the data from the other system. Post method is used to retrieve the create the data in other system. Put method and patch methods are used to update the data in the other systems. Delete is used to delete the data in the other system. Okay. In interviews, they will ask one question. What is the difference between put and patch methods? Put method is used to update the entire record. Put method is used to update the entire record. And patch method is used to update the only specified record, only specified columns in the record. Okay, patch method is used to only update the specified columns in a record. Okay, any queries up to here, please let me know. Jay Sri Ramesh, Sangeeta, any queries?
No.
Okay, fine. Next, SOAP functions. So along with the rest, we will also have SOAP message, right? So in the SOAP message, we have different functions: get, insert, update, delete. Get, insert, update, and delete. Okay. So what get will do? Retrieve the data. What insert do? Create the data. So everything will happen in the other system only. Okay, everything will happen in the other system only. So get, retrieve the data from the other system, insert, create data in the other system, update, update data in the other system, delete, delete data in the other system. Okay. Yes. Next. So we have some HTTP status codes. We have some HTTP status codes. 200 range. So basically, we have many HTTP codes are available from 100 onwards. Okay, from 100 onwards. So we don't require to keep all those status codes here. So I just provided URL. You can go to this URL and you can learn, if you want to learn about this HTTP status codes from 100 onwards. Yes, you can go there and you can learn. Now I have written some HTTP status codes. We will see usually in real time. Okay, we'll see usually in real time. Okay. 200 range. If the HTTP status code in 200s, that is a success message. We will get 200, 201, 204. If it is a 200, yes, okay, 201 created, 204, no content. Okay. And 400 range. If it is a 400 range, it is a client side errors. Client side errors. That means we made mistakes. Okay, we made mistakes. Client side errors. 400 bad request. 401 unauthorized. 403 forbidden. 404 not found. Okay, not found. That means if we made any mistakes like sending request body improperly or missing authentication details, we will get this 400 related errors. Next, 500 range. 500 range. So if it is any server side errors, if any server side errors, we will get 500 range errors. 500 internal server error. Internal server error. Okay, that means we are unable to connect to server. We are unable to connect to server. So then we will get this error. Okay. Next, you can see we come to authentications. We come to authentications. There are two types of authentications are there. There are two types of authentications are there. Basic authentication and oath authentication. Basic authentication and oath authentication. Okay. Yes. Next. Table API format. Okay. If anybody ask me, please send me Servicenow integration API. So we have to forward this API only. Okay. We have to forward this API. So in interviews also they will ask us. So please tell me table API format. Okay, you have to say this one. https://instance name dot service hyphen now dot com slash API slash now slash table slash table name. Okay, this you have to inform if they ask. Next, we have multiple HTTP request headers. From that, mainly we will use this content type and accept. Okay, next. WSDL. WSDL URL. WSDL stands for Web Services Description Language, and this can be used in the SOAP messages. Okay, this can be used in the SOAP messages. So if it is a REST message, if it is a related to REST, we have to use this table API format. If it is a related to SOAP, we have to use this WSDL API format. Okay, this is WSDL API format. Okay, yes. So https://instance name dot service now dot com slash table dot do question mark XML. Okay, sorry, question mark WSDL. Next, I'm going to REST API Explorer. I will start with REST API Explorer. Okay. Now here you can see. Here we have inbound integration and outbound integration. We have to learn something also. So for example, you are planning to connect to other system. You are planning to connect to other system. You are outbound integration. Okay, you are outbound integration. So somebody is planning to connect to our system. Okay, somebody connect to our system. That is inbound integration. Got it, everyone? What is inbound integration and what is outbound integration? మనము వేరే సిస్టమ్ కి కనెక్ట్ అవ్వాలి అనుకుంటే మనం అవుట్బౌండ్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అవుతాం. వేరే వాళ్ళు మన సిస్టమ్ కి కనెక్ట్ అవ్వాలనుకుంటే మనం ఇన్బౌండ్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అవుతాం. ఓకే, గాట్ ఇట్?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if we are planning to connect to other system, so other system is inbound integration, our system is outbound integration. Okay, other system is inbound integration and our system is outbound integration. If we are connect to other system, for example, somebody is planning to connect to our system. Somebody is planning to connect to our system. Here, our system is inbound integration. The other system is outbound integration. Other system is outbound integration. Okay, got it? Everyone got it?
Yes, sir.
మనము ఎక్కడైతే డేటా ఇంటరాక్షన్ చేస్తున్నామో, డేటా ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ చేస్తున్నామో, ఆ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ చేసే సిస్టమ్ వచ్చేసి అవుట్బౌండ్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్. ఓకే, మనము ఎవరైతే ఏపీఐ డీటెయిల్స్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నారో ఈ డేటా ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ చేయడానికి, ఆ ఏపీఐ డీటెయిల్స్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేసే వాళ్ళు ఇన్బౌండ్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్. ఓకే, ఎస్?
Yes, sir.
యా. So somebody tell me what is inbound integration and what is outbound integration. I got to know, so whether you got understand or not. Yes.
We get the data from other system to other system to our system. Other system is outbound. Our system is inbound.
So you can repeat, Ramesh.
If we get the data from other system to our system,
Okay.
then other system is outbound. Our system is inbound.
You can repeat one more time. I'm sorry.
If we get the data from other system to our system,
Okay.
then other system is outbound. Our system is inbound.
Excellent. Okay, perfect. Next, I'm going to, I hope before I'm going to REST API Explorer explanation, you can read this integration related data for one or 2 minutes. Okay, I hope everybody read this data. And even if you can see, so functions are secondary. So actually, this integration theory part is very, very important for the interview point of view. Okay, that's why I'm asking you to read for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. Okay, guys, I hope everybody read this one. Now you can see in interviews, they will ask a few questions. First question, what is the difference between put and patch methods? Okay, put method will update. Put method will update entire record and patch method will update a specified columns in a record. Okay. If you get integration project, what are the details you will ask to client or customer for integration. Okay. So you can see first of all API, second authentication, API details. First of all API authentication, third one integration. Which integration we have to do? That is REST or so. Okay. Fourth one request address. Fifth one table for COL mappings. Any conditions. Okay. So mostly we have to ask these questions. If you get integration project, what are the details you will ask to client or customer for doing outbound integration? Okay, outbound integration. If customer or client come to you for integration, inbound integration. What are the details you will provide? Okay, what are the details you have? You will provide. You have to provide API details, authentication details, all these. Okay. So you can see these two questions. So for example, మీ క్లయింట్ మీతో కమ్యూనికేట్ అయ్యి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేయాలి, సర్వీస్ నౌని మేబీ క్వాలిస్ తోటి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేయాలి అని చెప్తాడు. ఓకే, సో చెప్పినప్పుడు అతనికి సర్వీస్ నౌ గురించి ఏమీ తెలీదు, ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ గురించి ఏమీ తెలీదు. ఓకే, మీరు అడగాలి ఏమేమి కావాలి మనకి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్, క్వాలిస్ తోటి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేయాలంటే అని చెప్పేసి. ఓకే, ఏమేమి కావాలి, మీరు ఎండ్ పాయింట్ ఆర్ ఏపీఐ, ఇక్కడ ఎండ్ పాయింట్ కానీ ఏపీఐ కానీ అంటాం అనమాట. ఇది ఈ డీటెయిల్స్ అడగాలి. నెక్స్ట్ అథెంటికేషన్, which authentication we have to use అది అడగాలి. నెక్స్ట్ రెస్ట్ మెసేజ్ యూజ్ చేయాలా, సోప్ మెసేజ్ యూజ్ చేయాలా అనేది అడగాలి. నెక్స్ట్ రిక్వెస్ట్ అడ్రస్ ఏమేమి ఉండాలి అంటే ఏ ఫార్మాట్ లో పంపించాలి డేటా, ఏ ఫార్మాట్ లో రిసీవ్ చేసుకోవాలని అడగాలి. అట్లాగే మన సర్వీస్ నౌ టేబుల్లోని డేటా, ఆ టేబుల్లో ఉండే కాలమ్స్ వాళ్ళ సిస్టంలో ఏ టేబుల్లో ఏ కాలమ్స్ తోటి మ్యాప్ అవ్వాలి అనేది అడగాలి. ఏమైనా కండిషన్స్ బేస్ చేసుకొని ఏమైనా డేటా పంపించాలనేది కూడా అడగాలి. ఓకే, సో మెయిన్లీ దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఫ్యూ పాయింట్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఆస్క్. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ somebody come to us and ask for the API details. Okay, you have to provide API or endpoint. Okay, then after you have to provide authentication details. Okay, you have to provide authentication details. This rest or SOAP they will decide. You don't require to ask them, you don't require to provide this one. Okay, and even request address, yes, request address, and this you have to send. Okay, got it? So initially you have to provide these three, then after you have to provide columns mapping any. So even if we don't require this one, basically you have to ask these questions, these details you have to provide to them. Okay, if it is a inbound integration, here you can see guys, for example మీరు వేరే వాళ్ళకి మీ సర్వీస్ నో ఇన్స్టాన్స్ యొక్క ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ డీటెయిల్స్ ఇస్తున్నారు. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ డీటెయిల్స్ ఇస్తున్నారు అంటే మీరు ఇన్బౌండ్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్. ఓకే, గాట్ ఇట్ ఎవ్రీవన్? మీరు వాళ్ళకి ఏమేమి ఇవ్వాలి అంటే ఏపీఐ ఆర్ ఎండ్ పాయింట్, టేబుల్ ఏపీఐ ప్రొవైడ్ చేయాలి. తర్వాత అథెంటికేషన్, బేసిక్ అథెంటికేషన్ అయితే బేసిక్, ఓత్ అయితే ఓత్ అథెంటికేషన్ డీటెయిల్స్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేయాలి. తర్వాత రిక్వెస్ట్ అడ్రస్, డేటా మీ దగ్గర ఏ ఫార్మాట్ లో యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తో అది చెప్పాలి. తర్వాత మీ సర్వీస్ నౌలోని డేటా వాళ్ళ టేబుల్స్ లో ఎలా మ్యాప్ అవ్వాలనేది మీరు చెప్పాలి. ఓకే, ఎస్, యూ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రొవైడ్ దీస్ డీటెయిల్స్. అట్లాగే వేరే టూల్ మేబీ జీరా సిస్టమ్ వాళ్ళు మీ దగ్గరకు వచ్చి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేయాలి జీరా అనే సర్వీస్ నౌకర్ అని చెప్పారు. అప్పుడు మీరు వాళ్ళని ఏం అడగాలి, ఏపీఐ డీటెయిల్స్ అడగాలి, అథెంటికేషన్ డీటెయిల్స్ అడగాలి, రెస్ట్ మెసేజ్ చేయమంటారా, సో త్రూ సోప్ ద్వారా చేయమంటారా అని అడగాలి, రిక్వెస్ట్ అడ్రస్ అడగాలి. వాళ్ళ జీరా సిస్టమ్ లో ఉండే టేబుల్స్ మన సర్వీస్ సిస్టమ్ లో ఉండే టేబుల్స్ ఏ టేబుల్ తోటి మ్యాచ్ అవ్వాలి, ఏ కాలమ్స్ తోటి మ్యాప్ అవ్వాలి అనేది అడగాలి. అట్లాగే మన కండిషన్ బేస్ చేసుకొని డేటా పంపించుకోవాలనేది కూడా అడగాలి. గాట్ ఇట్ ఎవ్రీవన్? ఎస్. ఓకే, next you can see I'm going to REST API Explorer. Okay, under system web services we have REST. Under REST we have REST API Explorer. REST API Explorer is used to provide the API details to others. Okay, REST API Explorer is helpful for us providing our ServiceNow API details to others. Okay, got it everyone? And REST API Explorer is a inbound integration. Yes, I'm going to REST API Explorer. So I hope I'm closing all the tabs here. I don't require anything. REST API Explorer. Okay, under system web services we have REST. Under REST we have REST API Explorer. Okay, It's loading. Wait. So I'm clicking on explore. So here you can see. So you can see namespace. So we have to use now namespace is now API, whether it is table API or different API. So here we are talking about table API only. Okay. So here you select table API. Version you have to select always latest only. Okay. And here you can see here different HTTP methods, get method, post method, put method, patch method, and delete method. Okay. Got it, everyone? So here we have different HTTP methods. We'll discuss each and every. Now you can see, first of all, I'm going through get API. This retrieve records from a table, retrieve a record. Both are same. Okay, both are get method only. Now here I'm selecting, for example, I'm selecting instant table. Instant table. Simply, I'm saying send. Then we will get the instant table 10 records data or one record data. Yes, here we are retrieving only one instant record data. So how to check this data properly? You can go to online JSON editor, copying it, go to online JSON editor. Then open first one. And paste it here. And you can click on copy here. You can see here you are able to see the data properly. Okay, got it, everyone. So here we are getting only one record data. By using REST API Explorer, we can able to bring up to 10 records. So here you can see only one record selected. That's why one record here. Now I'm selecting 10 records. Then you will get 10 records information. And here you can see, if you go to the response, what happening for the reference fields? You are getting link and value. Okay, you are getting link and value. For example, you don't want this link and value. You have to do something like, so you can see reference link. True to exclude table API links for reference fields. Default is false. Then I'm saying true here. Even I'm saying true here. Then we will not get links or values. Then here you will not get links or values. Okay. Yes. And the data will get for 10 records. So here you can see. Now I'm sending it. Now we'll get 10 records information. Wait. Is 200. I'm copying it. Now you can come to JSON editor and you can see your 10 records data properly. Okay, so you can see now 10 records are appearing. So if you go to so you can see first record, second record, third record, up to 10 records are there. So if you want to see information about first record, okay, you can open and you can see first record information properly. Like that, second record, third record, like that. Okay, and here you can see whatever the columns we have in REST mess in instant table, all columns are appearing here. For example, you want to provide only specific columns to the customer. Okay, then you can select your columns properly here. So for example, I want to send number. Yes, I'm selecting number. Maybe color. Wait, where is color? Yes, color. Maybe I want to send category. Maybe I want to send property. Next, maybe I want to send short description. State. Maybe I'm also planning to send short description. Okay. Whatever the columns you want to send with this REST API, with this method, you can select the columns here. Okay. Yes, I selected these columns and you can send. Now also 10 records will get and with only selected columns information will appear. Okay. You can come and you can copy it and you can paste in online JSON editor. Copy. Okay, so you can say number, short description, caller ID, state, category, priority. Okay, if you go to the second record, record number, short description, like that. Got it, everyone? Yes. This should be response body should be like this. And this is response. When we integrated, when we connect to this instance table, so the response, we are getting that 10 records should be like this. Okay, we are getting that 10 records should be like this. Okay. Next, you can see, if you see here, yes, you can see content type. This is content type. By default, it is application/JSON. And accept what kind of data we will accept in response. That is application/JSON by default. This is API link. This is API link. So this is API link. Now I'm copying these details to Notepad. You can see. So get method, REST API Explorer get method for that and writing. So API. Okay, API. Now you can see. So up to here is enough. Up to here is enough. Okay, I'm copying it and paste it here. Okay, next. So if you want, so for example, if I given up to instant, that means you will get all the instant data here. Okay. So if you want to, you don't require these links and all, and you want 10 records only like that, you can keep entire record. Okay. So as of now, I'm not taking entire record. So if you want only 10 records, as you can keep set spam and school limit is 10, 5 records, 5 like that. Okay. Yes. Next. So you can see. So here you can see Servicenow script, Perl script, Python script, Ruby script, JavaScript, Perl script, PowerShell script. For example, you are planning to provide this integration logic to JavaScript users. Okay, you can click on JavaScript and you can see our integration code will execute, will show in the JavaScript format. Okay, for example, if you want to provide this script to another Servicenow integration user, you can copy this, you can paste there. Okay, copying it, for example, paste it here. Okay, perfect. So from this, I'm removing entire unknown logic. Got it, everyone, and I'm also removing the commented code. Okay, got it, everyone. And here I'm keeping where res response body equal to, okay, response dot get body. Next, where status code equal to, 1 minute, HTTP status code equal to, HTTP status code equal to response body dot get status code. Okay, perfect. You can say HTTP status here instead of status code. HTTP status. Okay, wait. So here I'll provide you start log off response body. HTTP status. Okay, this is proper logic. This is proper logic. Got it, everyone? So even you can copy this logic. Even you can copy this logic. Copy and so you can paste it in the background script. You will get the data. Okay. For example, custom background script. We'll get the data. So here authentication details you have to provide basically. And where is username and password? For example, here I'm providing username is admin. Password is PRAINI at the data point. Okay, like this here. Then I'm executing this. You can see you will get response and HTTP status code proper. Wait, line number 5. So you can see for username you haven't provided double quotes properly. So constant. Wait, it is yes. Now you can see we got response body properly. This is we are getting all entire response body and all the records information here within JSON. Here you can see HTTP status code showing undefined. You will check that one. Okay, check that one. Wait, maybe wait. Response dot get status code transcript. Wait, still data is loading. Yes, perfect. HTTP status code also okay. Okay. I'm copying this. Okay. I'm pasting here properly. Okay, guys, got it. So you can go to your Servicenow instance and open background script, and you can copy and paste this logic into your run script background scripts. Then it will connect to my Servicenow instance. You will get the information. Okay. Next, I'm going to post method. Post method. The post method means we have to create a data. We have to create a data. So I'm closing. Wait. Thank you. So you can see I'm going to post method, create a record. So here I'm selecting instant table. Instant table. For example, I don't want reference links, that's why I'm keeping true. Even I want only display values, I'm keeping true. So I want to only specify columns required in the response. That is number, state. Short description. Wait, color. Number, color. Number, color. Category and priority also. Okay. Priority. So for example, I'm bringing this information. Now you can come here, builder. You can go to the builder and what are the fields information you are planning to send, you can select here. For example, I'm selecting color. Okay. Color, sys color sys we require. So I'm going to use a table and I will bring some user sys. Okay. Maybe Anji user sys I'm copying, copy sys I'm pasting here. Okay, maybe category. I'm running software. Maybe impact and urgency also I will provide. So if you want to change the priority, you have to provide the impact and urgency. That impact 1. Urgency 1. Short description. Short description. Hello. So I'm saying my hello. I'm from REST API Explorer. Okay. Yes. I hope this information is fine. Now you can see this is a JSON. Copying it. This is JSON. Okay. This is JSON. I will also show you JSON string format. Okay. Now you can see I'm sending it. I'm sending. Yes. Modify data. So you can come here. The response is came here. So incident number 103 is created. Incident number 103 is created. That's fine. So you can see priority is E1, critical software, state is new, call ready is Anshika, like that. Okay. So this is the request body we have sent. Okay. This is the request body we sent. You can come to Servicenow scripting. You can come to Servicenow scripting. First of all, I will show you JSON string format. Okay. First of all, I'm copying JSON string format. Copy it. JSON string format. This is okay. JSON string format. Okay, got it. I'm saving it. JSON and JSON string formats I have noted down here. So we have only small difference. Wherever you have double quotes, for example, guys, where data equal to I'm writing some JSON. Okay, data equal to JSON. Name G email G at the rate of gmail.com. Okay. Yes, this is JSON. Now I want to convert this to JSON string. You can see wherever you have double quotes, okay, you can use backward slash. Hope this is backward slash only. Okay, wherever you have double quotes, before that you can use backward slash. Okay, this slash. Wherever you have double quotes, before the double quote or single quote, you have to use back backward slash. Yes, here also I'm providing this. So I'm providing this. Wait, here also I'm providing. Wherever you have double quote, before that you have to provide the backward slash. Okay, got it, everyone? How we converted JSON to JSON string? How we converted JSON to JSON string? Everybody got it? Tell me, guys. So tell me, guys, everybody got it? How I converted JSON to JSON string format?
Yes, Sanjay.
Oh my God. Okay, fine. That's fine. Okay. And I hope it's not required. Maybe I'm removing. So we already have JSON and JSON string format here. Now I'm copying, select snippet, Control C. I'm copying, I'm pasting here. Okay. We don't require. Okay. So you can see here also we don't require everything. I'm removing here. This is fine. And username password you already know. I'm keeping this one. So I'm also copying this one. Okay. Wait. Okay, perfect. So if you copy this script to your background script and execute, one instant record will be created in my instance. Okay, got it, everybody? Yes or no? This is post method code. Next, put method. Okay, next I'm going to put method. I'm saving it. Yes. Put method and patch method. Put method and patch methods are used to update the data. Okay, now I'm going to put method. Incident. Table name is incident. So now I want to update the data. Now I want to update the data. So you can see, now I'm going to put method. Okay. Now we have to update a record. Now we have to update a record. Send dot list. Now you can see this instant record we have created. Now I'm copying this ID of this particular instant record and I'm pasting here. Okay. Now I am not keeping all these parameters there. So okay, directly I will update the data. Maybe I'm updating category. Previously we have given category is software. Now I'm giving categories hardware. Okay. Next. Now I'm saying impact is 1. Okay. Urgency is 2. I will take. Then priority will come 2. Okay. Priority will come 2. Next, short description also I will update. Short description. Welcome to put. I'm saying like this. Okay, that's fine. So now you can send it. Modify data. Yes. 200 success message. Now we can see data is modified. I can say welcome to put. Okay. So even priority also modified. You can check once. So you can say urgency is to have given. Where is priority? Priority to somewhere you will see the priority to. So you can see priority also changed and category also changed to hardware from software. Okay. Perfect. Now I'm copying this logic to Notepad. Well, now you can see. So now here also we are sending JSON. Okay. And these columns information we are sending and it is updating. 1 minute. First of all, I will copy the code to Notepad. And then after I will show you the changes. Control C. Come here. Paste it here. Okay. Perfect. So we don't require this commented code here. Maybe authentication also. Copying it and pasting here. Okay. Then a request header and request body. copying it, pasting here. Okay, perfect. So okay, got it, everyone. If you copy same code and paste, so if you change the sys ID here and you can execute in your background script, then it will communicate to my system. Next, patch. Guys, it's already 7:20. Is it okay? Or can I take tomorrow? Patch method also same actually. I'm copying the code for patch method. Can I take another 5 to 10 minutes, or is it okay? Can I leave and tomorrow can I explain? No response. It's okay, fine. Patch and delete, I will explain tomorrow class. Thank you all. Thank you so much. 1 minute, 1 minute. I will take attendance. Today we have very less attendance. That's fine. Based upon your interest. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. We'll meet you tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.